This is Doug Matthews. I'm Vice President of Product Management for the Data Protection Group here at Veritas. And with me today is Lee Caswell, Vice President of Marketing at VMware. We're together today to talk about our fantastic 18-year partnership and share the news of our NetBackup 8.3 launch and take a look at what we're doing beyond that. Thank you so much, Lee, for joining me today.
Yeah, such a pleasure. We've had a long-standing history of partnership and a lot of new interesting things to come.
Absolutely, without a doubt. In fact, many of our customers together are adopting that hybrid multi-cloud architecture. In fact, we're seeing a variety of different architectures and people attempting to use a variety of different tools. And I think our journey together, we've learned that customers who standardize, they achieve a much lower cost of ownership, they get better operational agility. And together, we have partnered to provide a combined solution where VMware has that unique standardized infrastructure layer of tools, and Veritas provides the data management layer of technologies. And together, this shared vision of a software-defined approach to yields, in our opinion, the best result for our mutual customers, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it's impressive, right? Just to watch the way that virtualization from the early days, right, pushed storage right into large, scalable, right, high performance SAN and NAS systems. And we started our relationship there where, as those became mission critical, right, where applications of all kinds, right, became mission critical. You remember probably when email was considered like not even mission critical, right? Now, look how we've changed, right? So the idea now that we were moving to software defined architectures based on servers, right, with a scalable scale out system. And now these, the mission criticality of our systems means that customers of all types are looking for us together to make sure that their data protection environments work seamlessly.
Absolutely. We as a business at Veritas have created a concept of an enterprise data services platform, which is a platform of data services that provide availability, protection, and insights into their data to give that software-defined approach to deliver that improved simplicity for their day-to-day operations. And it's our partnership applied together to customers of every single size and scope. In fact, right now we have over 128 million virtual machines that Veritas manages the data for today. So, and I don't know if you know this, but VMware is our top supported workload globally, which is a pretty exciting thing.
Yeah, I mean, at scale, right, the largest customers, right, are relying on us jointly. And, we're also seeing kind of a flight to safety, I would say, right, as customers look to, who's going to be able to protect them, right, in uncertain times, number one. And then number two, customers are looking to how do they invest responsibly in uncertain times? That's a really interesting question, right? And so what you look to is you look to industry leaders that can provide you the degrees of freedom you're most likely to exercise. And so with VMware and our VMware Cloud, we're offering protection, right, for future ready, we call it, right? So that you can go and extend to the public cloud, for example, right, with our partners, right? You can extend across new modern applications with what we call our Tanzu portfolio, right? Kubernetes integrated right into the hypervisor itself. And, together jointly, right, we're helping customers basically get a platform approach to data protection, regardless of where they live from edge to core to cloud.
And today we're here to talk about that NetBackup 8.3 launch. NetBackup is the cornerstone flagship product of our enterprise data services platform. The content that's coming just for VMware is absolutely significantly staggering. In fact, for those large enterprise customers like our global financial services organization that currently runs over 100,000 VMs in production, they're dynamically shifting things in and out all day, every day. So we've introduced new performance capabilities to ensure they can continue to scale. And we've introduced auto discovery and self-service capabilities so that they can manage that infrastructure much more simply. Lee, what about you? Anything you would like to add?
One thing to think about, right, is these enterprise customers at scale right now are, large scale storage customers, of course, but they're also introducing HCI. And, at VMware, right, our vSAN product, is adding 100 customers a week right now. So, massive pace. One thing to think about, though, is our VMware Cloud Foundation. Right, so this is the full stack that we have. We've opened that up to support both storage and HCI. And with our common support for vVols or virtual volumes, we actually have a really unique opportunity to help customers manage more things with a single control plane. Right, and this is really an interesting opportunity, I think, as you tap into the growth of HCI, but also tap into the capacity, right, that exists for backup opportunities inside of our traditional SAN and NAS platform. So great opportunity for us to work together, tap into the growth segments of the market, and hit the biggest data protection enterprise use cases.
Absolutely. But focused on solving those key enterprise, large enterprise use cases is critical for both of us to be successful. Lee, I want to tell you, thank you so much for joining us today. Absolutely. Really appreciate you being here. Thanks a lot.
Our pleasure.